In this video, I'll be showing you how to use basic and advanced search in Jira. First thing you want to do is go up to the search bar here. Click on the bottom where it says Advanced Issue Search. And click here, switch to basic. Now your basic search is going to allow you to search based on different criteria such as project, issue type, issue status, assignee, time of creation, as well as a few more. Now, once you become familiar with Jira query language or JQL, then you would use the advanced search option. I'll go ahead and give you a quick example. And there's your basic introduction to basic and advanced search in Jira.